Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these custom DIY bundle wraps. This is like one of the most easiest ways to make some quick and easy bundle wraps. You won't believe how easy and affordable these are. Look how nice they look, y'all. Stay tuned and watch how I create these beautiful bundle wraps. Okay guys, so first things first, I have Word document open. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to create the boxes that I need. So what I do is I go to insert. I lied guys, so you go to layout. Wait, insert, okay, insert was correct. So you're gonna go to insert, you're gonna click table, and I just want 2 tables. So I'm gonna click 2, and then I'm just gonna make it as long as possible. So this is my table. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stretch it out so that my labels can fit into these boxes. So don't make them too thick, just make them as big as your label. I think this is perfect. Now I'm gonna copy and paste my logo on here. So let me go find my logo. Looking for my logo. Okay. I'm gonna copy and paste that onto my tabs. So it's pretty much that. It's really that simple, y'all. Like anybody could do this. You do not have to be a superstar in Word. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Like you don't gotta be. Why everybody want to text when I'm making my video? But yeah, you don't have to be like an amazing professional when it comes to making this. So I'm gonna copy that and I'm just gonna paste that into all my boxes. That's my logo. It's gonna go on my bundle wraps. You can make it as wide as you want, as thick as you want, but I think this is perfect. And then I'm just gonna do that all throughout these tabs. If I need to create more, all I'm gonna do is just add more here. You can just insert more tables right here. But that's pretty much it. And then you print that out, guys. So first things first, we're gonna need some scissors, some clear tape. This is the printed out sheet. Once you're done, I already started using some. That's why you can see some of it is gone. Here are my bundles. I already started on one. As you can see here, I added the hang tag. I'm just adding the style and the length of this hair to the bundle, and this is what it looks like after I customize my bundles with my brand, y'all. Look how cute that is and simple. Look at that hair. Look how silky soft that is. It's getting ready to ship. Anyways, this is how I make my custom bundle wraps. I'm using regular printed paper, y'all. Printed paper, and I'm making it look so like luxurious, like it's so like everything. So what I'm doing here is, of course, I'm removing it out of its plastic bag. Now I'm gonna cut a piece out. Of course, we cut them in boxes for a reason. You want to cut along those lines. You could also print this out on adhesive like Avery logos, but like I said, this is like last minute. If you really need some bundle wraps and you just like, this is all you got is your printer and some paper, this is what you do. So I'm gonna cut a piece of the tape off. I'm gonna put it right on top of my logo. What this does is it adds like that glossy finish that you want. You want that in a shine. When they see you want them to see that glistening logo, okay? And also the tapes acts as the adhesive, the quote-unquote adhesive that holds everything together, of course. So once you tape it together, it's not going anywhere. So I have my tagging gun and my hang tag. I'm gonna just tag that right onto the hair. And of course, I'm going to just customize it again with the length and the style. Again, guys, this is just a last minute thing. I actually have some on the way, like some professional ones, but like this will do because no one really cares, right, about the paper, guys. Like this is something that they're just gonna rip right off and get to the magic, which is the bundles. You feel me? But anyways, I'm gonna do that on this last bundle. Keep watching and see how everything turns out. And just like that, y'all, I am done. Do you see how easy that is, y'all? This is something that you can definitely do at home, on a computer, on a borrowed computer, or your work computer. You got no excuses, okay? But thank you guys for watching. I love you all so much. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.
Never give a fuck about a bitch. It is what it is. This a 5-star dick. She a big old freak. It's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. No, she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Look, handle me? Who gon' handle me? Thinking he's a player, he's a member on the team. He put in all that work, he wanna be the MVP. I told him ain't no taming me. I love my niggas equally.